Hi guys, this is Sandeep and you are watching Dozy Talk. Today we will discuss about the bullish harami. So let's start. Technical analysis is a type of investment analysis that focus solely on price. Technical analysis believe that pattern can be found in the movement of price over time and that these patterns are fairly predictable. Okay. Patterns recognized and identification is at least heart of technical analysis, and one of the most common bullish candlestick chart pattern is the bullish harami. If an outline is drawn around the pattern, it represents a pregnant woman, which is why the pattern is named after the word harami, an old Japanese word meaning pregnant. Traders using the bullish harami are looking for a confirmation of a reversal. A bullish harami is a candlestick chart pattern in which a large candlestick is followed by a smaller candlestick whose body is located within the vertical range of the larger body. The bullish harami is a downtrend or bearish candlestick pattern giving a sign of reversal of the downtrend. Okay, since the bullish harami indicate the bearish trend may be reversing, it may be good time to enter into a long position. The bullish harami is a long candlestick followed by a small body that is completely inside the range of previous body. As we see here, okay, this is a long candlestick body which is followed by a small real body and which is within the limit of this large candlestick. Okay, that's why we called it a it's look like a pregnant woman. Okay, the first body represent the beginning of the price movement of harami formation. The small body marks a change of reversal in the opposition direction of the previous candlestick and represent the confirmation of the bullish harami, which can be in several formations. Bullish harami comes after a decline in price. A small body on the second candlestick indicate a higher probability of for a reversal. The small candlestick is referred to as a doji. If the price is going in one direction, stops and then reverse, it represents an opportunity for the traders to make a profit by buying on the reversal. The bullish harami confirm this reversal. Okay. So guys, this was the bullish harami pattern. We will meet in our next technical analysis chart pattern. Till then, bye, take care and happy trading.